simply place your jewelry inside the gem light box. Tap to focus, adjust the brightness, and lastly, click to capture. At Pickup Media, we have worked with over 2,000 jewelers worldwide. And one of the biggest challenges that our jewelers faced was that capturing studio quality jewelry images and videos was very difficult. That's when our team went to work to create the Gem Lightbox, the world's first smartphone jewelry lightbox that lets anyone capture studio quality jewelry images and videos with nothing more than a smartphone.
Well, Las Vegas last year, I met you guys. I had just bought a watch that I needed to sell to a client, and a friend sent me over to you and said, hey, try that light box. I said, I don't have time. Believe you me, they'll take a great photograph, quick, bang, and we sold the watch. So thank you, and that's why I'm buying the product today.